This video touches on sustainability in the hospitality industry, particularly hotels. LEED is a third-party certification program that puts hotels on the track towards efficient construction and design. It is available to all classes of real estate from the United States Green Building Council, but has particularly interesting implications for hotels given their unique complexities. Sustainability is a broad global topic that affects the world at many levels. It needs to be considered at the city level, where the vast majority of resource consumption occurs, but even individual elements of the built environment like hotels have an important role to play. Hotels should be an area of focus when it comes to sustainability, given that they are some of the worst offenders regarding inefficient consumption. When examining water, energy, and carbon, hotels consume more resources both per square meter and per dollar of gross asset value relative to other real estate asset classes. Hoteliers may make an excuse that resource consumption is hard to control, given that different guests are coming in and out every day. Even though there is a lot of operational complexity that comes with running a hotel, these measures still show that there is still clearly room for improvement. That is where LEED comes in. LEED certification is comprised of 9 categories, each with a different number of credits available. LEED is currently on its 4th version, as it constantly makes its program more flexible and achievable for hotels. This is what the scorecard looks like. Categories are comprised of required projects that every hotel would need to take on to become certified, as well as additional projects that award points towards certification upon completion. Hotels pursue LEED certification because they should acknowledge the role they play in the environment. Not only will LEED certification help the hotel get on the right track towards efficient operations, but it will also help them stand out among their competitors. A study conducted at Cornell University found that LEED certified hotels received a boost in revenue and their occupancy rate in the year following their certification. Based on the number of credits received, hotels are then granted a rating level. There are 4 levels: certified, silver, gold, and platinum. 110 is the maximum possible credits. With that in mind, no hotel has ever achieved all credits. This is because each project comes with associated costs. Hotels must pick and choose which projects to undertake to receive their LEED certification.
LEED certification is a complex process, and the process can be optimized with a linear programming model. Michael Spencer created a design tool called the Aspen tool that helps hotels minimize costs while they plan and execute projects that will help them to achieve their desired level of LEED certification. His tool examines projected costs for each project and the decision for hotels to either pursue them or not. He includes key constraints such as ensuring that the minimum threshold of credits for a certification are met, as well as the hotel's budgetary constraints. He includes all required LEED components in his costing model, and then helps hotels to choose which projects to pursue beyond those minimum requirements. A linear programming model for hotel LEED certification is a great option because of its flexibility and its functionality. LEED is a prescriptive certification, meaning that it establishes criteria for hotels to follow during the construction and design phase rather than measuring their performance post-construction. The linear programming model can accommodate this prescriptive nature as well as variations in prices for projects, since each project might cost a different amount at different properties. All of those nuances in the model can ensure LEED's feasibility through accurate budgeting and cost projections. It is a highly functional model given the fact that it effectively handles the nuanced credit system of the LEED scorecard, as well as helps to minimize costs for the hotel and offer easily understandable feedback on which projects are the most affordable. Overall, LEED helps hotels reciprocate the support that the environment inherently gives to each property. Hotels operate in the context of cities and draw a lot of inspiration from their place in the built environment. Pursuing LEED certification is part of a hotel's responsibility to the cities they call home and to the planet. Hoteliers have a lot on their mind. Their focus is operations, but there are many other considerations for operating a hotel successfully. LEED certification is a way to ensure that one of those elements is the environment. Not only does LEED certification help the hotel to directly maximize sustainability, but it also carries over into other areas by establishing a culture of sustainability at the property. Hotels and sustainability share core values of persistent innovation, constant reinvention, and most importantly, service. Linear programming and optimization models can be combined with LEED certification so that hotels not only provide great service to their guests, but also to the planet. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed.